the Lipografter fat grafting system from MTF Biologics. In your Lipografter kit, you will find the Lipografter system KVAC syringe, the atraumatic tissue valve or AT valve with cap, and the Lipografter tubing set with 4 250 milliliter storage bags. You will also need a cannula set, including a small diameter harvesting cannula and an injection cannula with lure lock fittings. Your MTF Biologics representative can make a recommendation on the proper cannulas to use. Lastly, you will need a small volume lure lock syringe with a sharp, large bore needle. To assemble Lipografter for harvesting, first make sure the clear cap is screwed on to the AT valve. Do not over-tighten components. Then, connect the KVAC to the open female lure lock port. The arrows on the lure lock port should indicate proper direction of tissue flow, as shown. Next, connect the tubing directly to the AT valve so that the tissue flows into the device. Then, attach the storage bag to the last open port on the AT valve. Finally, connect the cannula to the opposite end of the tubing. The unit is now prepared for harvesting. After harvesting, allow the fat to separate from the blood and fluids in the bag for about 15 minutes. If there is excess air in the bag post-harvesting, use a sharp, large bore needle to burp the bag and remove the air. Once separated, open the clip on the bag and drain the fluid. Be sure to close the clip before losing any fatty tissue. The tissue can now be used for grafting. To prepare Lipografter for grafting, first remove all items from the AT valve and switch the AT valve cap to the available female lure lock port, as shown. Do not over-tighten components. Then, screw a small volume syringe onto the now open female lure lock port on the AT valve. Connect a grafting cannula to the opposing side of the AT valve. The arrows on the AT valve indicate the direction of tissue flow. Next, connect the storage bag to the tubing and the tubing to the remaining port. Then, open the clip on the storage bag to allow the tissue to flow through the device. Finally, use the syringe to remove the fat from the storage bag and deposit it through the injection cannula. The unit is now prepared for grafting. For more information on how to use the Lipografter fat grafting system, visit mtfbiologics.org.